Charlie, not in the corner. Put them in the closet. Tuck them in the back.
Hold on a second.
Yeah. There you go. Hey, come on. You got right on the floor.
Dude, my back.
Charlie, look at this. I've been saving these for years. What?
I think I slipped a disc, man.
Stand straight or something.
Frank, I gotta go see your chiropractor again.
Oh, right. I just keep paying medical bills, right? Is that it?
I keep lugging pennies.
You're in pain? Here, let me hit you with the 2x4. You won't feel anything.
No, I don't want to play that game anymore. All right, crack my back, all right? Can you crack my back, please?
Crack my back. All right, come on, turn around. Give me that.
Okay, ready?
Way up. Yeah.
Ah!
Oh! Oh! Oh!